Hi all, I am Kapil Verma and this is another video. So this is like update of past few weeks. So I tried listing smart chat that didn't work out. Like so, I talked with the help team of acquire.com. So like they said they don't list like pre-revenue startups or like products which are not live actually. So like they said come after you have like $500 in revenue or some sort of that. So like that is not feasible currently. So like that didn't work out. So it is not listed. So like it won't like the sale won't happen basically. So like that is removed out. So like there is not another chance of like another any revenue streams from there, not like revenue stream but like more of like runway capital. So like that didn't work out. And another one is like yeah, I have a like an early prototype basically. So I am using the Linux distro, Ubuntu basically, and I have made an application on top of that which is like some system privileges, which have some system privileges. So it is an early prototype. So I'll now create I don't know, like social media account for that OS. So actually I am naming it Dragon OS. Yeah, so that's the name. So the dragon comes from like dragon fruit. It is not from like the dragon itself. So it is like more of a fruit version. So like it's from dragon fruit. So the name is Dragon OS. So I'll be making like LinkedIn and Twitter or X account for that. So like and I'll now start pitching investors. So yeah, so this is till now like I have made that prototype. I'll like refining it that. So these are some things like until now, but like from looking forward from here, I think like each day increasing the probability of like me getting a job after this is like just getting increased. Like it's getting increased because like I have tried raising for this actually. I started raising for this basically without having a prototype or any other thing. So first of all, like I didn't get that much response from like most of the people. So like there are like only two, three, four. I can like just count it on my hands. Like those were the people who like replied, and some of them like didn't even follow up or sort of that. And like most mostly yeah one VC was there, but like they kind of like ghosted me currently. Like they are not like I have I don't know like will they reply or not, but it's most of like ghosted scene. So they have also. So I think that just like I don't know like, yeah. So like the chances of getting funded is like are like pretty much reduced. Like they are getting reduced. So like that's why I'm like saying like the chances of me getting a like actually not getting like me applying for job after completion of these 2 years are like just getting increased day by day. So that's one thing. And another is like yeah, like the work is going on this, but yeah. So Linux distro is like there are like not much apps into that. So the current one is like basically it has file access to the user's device, and it can basically browse the internet directly. Like I have Brave browser. I have tested it with Brave browser. So I give it a prompt, and then it just like automatically there is basically an agent for that. Like there are I don't know. Like I have increased the agents also. So it was basically an agent, Python agent, and it had like a scraping service. Like it is playwright I think. So it just goes and scrapes and the same thing. Like it just a website like it just sends the data to LLM. And then so currently I'm using Grok 4 for that. Like because I have some XAI API credits left because I had bought them for the smart chat one. So those are the credits like which are running that. So that's like I don't know, like maybe plus point sort of. So yeah, that's till now. And from moving onward from here, I think I won't be making the like interaction videos that much. I don't know, like if there is any some sort of this, I will update that. But like I am sure like I won't be making like these videos because like the brain dump thing, the brain dump thing is like that won't work because like it's something about like interaction or like conversation. Like I say something, somebody expresses their views or some sort of. So here it is just like talking to myself. Like yeah, there is yeah, I can upload it to YouTube, but there is like not retrieval. There is like no retrieval end for me like for this info. So I will like I'll basically stop making these videos because like there is not much to update also because like it will just like gritty work from now on, like just uh, cold email them, reach out, other seek a referral, all sort of those things. So like it's just like gritty nitty work sort of thing. So the prototype is there, like I'll improve it. So we'll see if like the if I raise it down, then like the video will be like mostly like I'll be making current actually I'll be making a demo for this also, like for the prototype. So these sort of videos will be there, like I'll be making demo, or like if I raise then there like video of course I'll be making that. So for the update. So yeah, but I won't be making like this kind of video like the basically like update videos. So those are not possible because like as I have said, like there are not many things to tell about this from now on because like it will be just a getting work, and I don't want to like say like I message these number of people and like nobody reply. But yeah, so that won't be a like worthy thing to like just make video. And yeah, also the random sort of thing is that yeah, I can't just like because it doesn't make sense because I need someone to like interact, like what the other person is thinking about, like how where AI is going, or what are the like prospects in the future for it, like what are the things which can be done, what are being done, like so all sort of other things. So but here it's just like speaking to my cell phone, but like which is I don't know, like kind of I'm doing already. So like yeah, that sort of thing. So like because like I have all those things in my mind, so like I'm already like speaking those thoughts to myself already, so like it won't make much difference. And yeah, so that's one thing. So though the documentation part like will be over sort of here. So this is the, I think, like I won't make if there is some update worthy, like something like, then I'll make video, but not as I thought like regularly I might make a like video in a week, but those sort of things won't be there. And yeah, so currently like problems are there. So so the main problem is basically the capital is not there, which is what we are working for. And another thing is mm, mm, I don't know, like I think like capital can solve many of those problems basically. Like yeah, like team is a problem, but like it will stay a problem if as long as like I don't have access to capital, because there are no people like which I can reach out to, and like they will just do it as I am doing, like full time for free. So that is not a possible scenario. So I think capital will solve most of these problems. And yeah, that's that's a big problem. I think I thought like raising rounds would be easy, like well, raising money would be easy. So yeah, like it's not that easy, like because I don't know, like somebody is not like just have their money in their hands and just like throwing to like yeah you are doing this, you are doing that. That's not how like this thing works. I think I don't know, like maybe networking might be a good part, but I don't have that much of a great network. I don't know, I didn't even like meet that much people in college also. Like, so I didn't like, I don't know, like I don't know much people. I know some college seniors. Basically, those also I don't know. I just like found their number, DM'd them. So they are also not replying basically currently. So like it's just, I don't know. So many closed doors at once. So this is why I'm saying like the chances of me applying for jobs after completion of 2 years are like getting increasing, are increasing day by day. So yeah, like let me be honest. Like the chances of this being successful, like in the sense like raising money, or like making a great product out of it. So like if I don't even raise the money, but if I have a great product at the end of it, so like at the end of it, meaning like six 7 months down the line, so that like I can have the initial user base. So if I have the great product, yeah, so the like those chances are like pretty much low. Like yeah, so these are what like the, it's just probability. Like so the probability is much low, but I am willing to take my chance. So yeah, that's it. Like I'm working on it. So yeah, uh, yeah, that's it. So we'll keep working. We'll like currently it's just a Linux distro and an application on top of that. So the main thing is like we'll be shipping directly the OS itself. Like it's currently an application on top. I don't know. Like maybe it will stay the same, but it's just it's just like I'll put that into the system app sort of thing. So like it will be there. So but for this, I think uh, having an initial marketer like becomes like much more necessary. And so if so the monetization part, if I raise fund and if I don't, so like the monetization part will be like much different, like because if I don't, then like I'll have to monetize it, because like certainly there is no money. So yeah, monetization will be a big part, but that's also I'm sure like will people pay for the OS itself. And like I don't know, like, there are chances are much less, but I don't know, I think so like it is like worth pursuing, and it will be better than the existing OS, like how the processes are done. I think taking the customer part is like hard, as like the developers will certainly follow, yeah, or take developers and customers will follow. So I don't think like it's other way around. It's like the first one, like if we grab the customers, then like developers, or like maybe the, what do you say, mm, basically applications will be there. If we have like user, then applications will be there, I think. If not, then we can also make that. Like so initially yeah, initially I think Microsoft also shipped Excel and Words. Like Microsoft Office 365 is just like basically owned by Microsoft itself. So like they themselves made most of the killer applications at first. So I think application part is pretty much doable. And I think with much more apps seeking like the capabilities, like so I think that will be like, yeah, so that is the whole point of it. So like with many of the apps like turning their core functionality into the AI integrated work. So if we have an OS which is AI integrated itself, so this will like this will like decrease a lot of headache for them, and like increase more productivity for their apps and functionality sort of things. So I think that is the bet here. So most probably like yeah, so the first challenge is basically currently here is to making the product. And after making the product, there is this customer challenge. And customer challenge is like bigger than taking like getting application or developers to develop them, because like if user is there, the business will follow basically. So that's the sort of thing. Yeah, so I'm doing, yeah, like basically it's hectic currently. It's not a good thing. Like there are not like some great things happening. So like there is not much motivation because like things are not working basically. But I am taking my chances. I am taking my chances. I have like thought of this, working on this, and I will stick to it for the next 9 months also. So yeah, like yeah, that's also like pretty much. But the reason like I am sticking myself to these like strict timelines is also like there, because like it is important for me. Like I know like I can't just like throw it out into the abyss. Like yeah, I'll just do it. So yeah, those are the things like I have to do the other thing also. Like if I don't make this, so like I'll basically apply for jobs and like do something from there onwards. So those are other things. But it is a, as I said, like it's basically a long shot, moonshot, whatever you can say. So this is that. I don't know, like I have this gut feeling about this, but like the making it like good is like being a tougher part like currently, because there are like yeah. So I think it will work basically. So the chances are low, probability is low, but I am taking my chances. Like yeah, I think it will work. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. Cheers.